afternoon. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Today, I am going to try to make a little shrimp salad. So I got here about a half pound of little baby shrimps. Figured they would work best for shrimp salad. You see what I mean? Little babies like this. Swimming around, they were just born. And they've been swimming around for, let's say, like 3 weeks. And all of a sudden, they I don't know how they kill them. Because you hear this little like that and stuff, and they're dead. And then they're machined and they're clean. Really good little bastards. Gotta say, pretty good. What I'm going to take care, I got a little bit of white, really fine diced onion. I'm going to put up in here. I've never had shrimp salad before. So, we thought we'd try it. I'll put some onion up in here. About like that for now. I can't see it because, white onions and shrimp. So, the dogs are still looking at me like I'm stupid for screaming and stuff. Anyway, we've got our little bowl. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here, I guess. Because we like garlic. We like the garlic. So I'll put some garlic powder in there. A dash of salt. We'll go with a little dash of salt. I'm just eyeballing shit. I don't know what I'm doing. You don't have to know what you're doing. A little bit of pepper. Good. I've got a little bit of parsley flakes. LAG the Mama's picking up some fresh dill also that we can try putting in here. Okay. Mayonnaise, of course, right there. Got the mayo. Got to put the mayonnaise in here. Smack some of it up in here. Schmack. I'll say maybe one more. Schmack. And I'm going to try some spicy brown mustard if I can get it to come out. A little bit of this in here. Instead of Cajun seasoning. Looks like that's about it for that one. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Let's see what kind of monstrosity this makes. Right? Stir it all up in here and get it all coated real nice. Shrimp salad, huh? It's going to be like a little pasta salad. Looks like a little elbow macaroni salad, don't it? See what we got. Mix it all up good. Everything gets mixed. Everything, man. See what I got. Not half damn bad. I don't think it's missing anything, really. Yes, I know you people would probably go, oh, you need to put some lemon on there. Don't put lemon on seafood, you fool. You ruin it. Let me see. Put a little more parsley flakes on it. They don't do a whole lot, but stir that in there. See, if she gets a little bit of dill, I think that'll touch it off. I do like that little bit of brown mustard in there, though. The spicy brown mustard. Get a sample again. Yeah. I believe I'm going to leave that alone. We'll put a sprinkle of pepper for color. There we go. I believe we'll leave that alone. I got no problems with that. Maybe just a hint. There you go. Some paprika for color. And I'm going to leave that alone, folks. There you have it. Let's get a zoom in. Okay. I want to kind of here. I want to just kind of mix this just a bit. Just to make it look good for you. There you go. Little baby shrimp salad. Going to have it with fried chicken. A side dish for fried chicken. So, anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till next time, folks, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe. Stay around. Don't be leaving. And all that bad shit. Unsubscribing and stuff. That's mean. And peace out, people. Just peace out. Yeah. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.